I'm going to compare the new taillight to the old one, make sure I ordered the right one, and then I'm going to look on the back for how this mounts. You'll see that there's two clips here that go into the truck, and then these are where the bolts are. So then you can look over here to see that they're two T25 screws. So we're going to remove those. This is where you're probably going to feel like you're going to break something, because you're going to have to use a little bit of force to pull this out. I'm going to use a trim tool and try and get behind here and pop those little clips out and try and pull the taillight out at the same time. There we go. Perfect. Now we can turn these bulbs counterclockwise. They come right out. Just remember which goes where. Now you can take these covers off. These are just for shipping, so you don't get a bunch of stuff in here. And then you're going to see on these bulbs that one of these tabs is bigger than the other one. So you want to line it up to where that tab goes in. Might be a little tricky. Like that. Same with this one. Push it in, turn it into place. Now you can take the taillight and line up those two pins into their location. Then you just want to firmly press on it. Now you just reinstall your screws and get them both started first before you go tightening them. You can tighten them down.